How to fix portrait mode not working on iPhone camera. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, what you can do is give fresh restart to your phone. For that, head towards settings. Now go to the option general. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you can find the option of shutdown. Tap on it. Now you have to slide this icon to the right to power off. After you turn off your phone, turn it back again and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down and head towards the option of camera. Over here under composition you can find the option of grid. Make sure you have toggle off for this option and head towards this option of preserve settings. Over here you will find the option of portrait zoom. You have to toggle on for that option. After you do that you can go back. Now open your camera. Over here you will find different options. Set it to portrait. After you set it to portrait, at the top you can find this icon. At the top middle, you have to tap on it. With that, different options will appear. Tap on this F option. Make sure you have set it to 2.8 or less than that. After you check that your portrait might work, you can just click the picture and check if it is working or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can reset all the settings. For that, go to your settings, head towards the option general. Scroll all the way down and go to the option transfer or reset iPhone. Now go to the option reset. Select the option reset all settings. Over here type in your passcode and continue with the process to reset your iPhone. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can update your software. For that, go back, scroll up, tap on the option software update. If you find any update over here, just tap on the option download and install and update your software to its latest version. This might fix the problem. Applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix portrait mode not working on iPhone camera. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.